Welcome back to my channel. Today's part 3 of a LA165 build. I took the grinder to the fender deck, and after that I'm going to sandblast it. I'll show you a couple of pictures. Alright, I finished sandblasting it. Took close to an hour and a half. 5 bags of sand on the back side there. I'm going to feather edge the paint right here and here, make it a little smoother. I finished sanding what I need to be sanded, so I did a wax and grease remover already, so I'm going to put a light coat of primer on it. I'm going to spray the underneath here with black asphalt undercoating. Alright, I'm done. One good heavy coat. I might take overnight to dry, maybe 2 days. Well, as you can see how rough it is, after I sandblasted there, you can see where the rust was. Well, you make sure that on the sides right here, the top right here, you don't see that. Put some spot putty on it, and then you can sand it down. There, I sanded it, block sanded it with 320 grit, and I'm going to give her a coat of primer. Well, I finished prepping it. I'm just waiting for this side to dry. I'll sand that down and get ready for painting. While that's drying, I'll put the motor. I just slammed the motor in. It's still loose. You gotta put this plate underneath here with the bolt, 2 front bolts here to hold the plate, and the rear bolt. So we'll put the bolts in. Move the motor around so you could see the holes. I already did that. I'm going to torque that to about 50 foot-pounds of torque, but it'll be enough for me. Okay, the muffler. These pipes are loose. Don't tighten them right down because you won't be able to fit your muffler in. I use barbecue paint for that. What paint it is. And then you can tighten your exhaust. Next is your guard. These for your hoods. Put the 2 front bolts only.
10mm socket.
These things will slide in a spot on the frame right there, like this. Good. All right, she's done. I'm going to blow some compressed air in a rag, get the dust off of it. I'm going to put a little light coat of green. All right, give it 3 good coats. It looks pretty good. And I'll let that dry overnight and slap it on the old tractor tomorrow. All right, be it for today. That's the end of part 3. If you like this video, press thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. Click below. Thank you for watching.